In this video, I will show you how to conduct a good lit review. Here in the Psych Library Resource Guide, there's a section called Conducting a Good Lit Review, and it kind of goes over step by step on how to check out if the journal with which your research is published in is a good and reputable source. So over here in EBSCOhost, there is a section of kind of an overview of the article that you're looking at for research, and you can find where the article has been published, and here it's been printed within the Journal of Pain and Symptom Management, and this is under the source here. So with that, we'll go over into Eigenfactor, and this website is kind of a collection and a review of a ton of different journals that research is published in. So we'll just click on the Eigenfactor metrics here, and I'll kind of explain how it goes. So here you'll type in the journal name, and in our case it is Journal of Pain and Symptom Management. And it pops up right here. Just click that and hit Find a Journal. And then it'll give you this ranking here. So the Eigenfactor ranking, which is the EF right here, is at 88. And that means that this article, or this journal, is 88% better than the rest of the journals within the Eigenfactor database. That means it's generally reputable, it's a good source to use, and you don't have to approach it with that much skepticism. So I went ahead and I found another article for research, and this one is published within the Journal of Family Psychology, and under the Eigenfactor rating it has a 78. So that means that it's 78% better than the rest of the databases, or the rest of the journals within the Eigenfactor database. The Library Resource Guide also has a short list of reputable journals here at the bottom and with their Eigenfactor ratings. Scrolling down a little further, I'm going to talk about Beall's List, and with this list, it's online. You just go to beallslist.net, and it gives you a list of predatory scholarly publishers, and this is kind of something with which researchers can publish to any journal that they choose. Sometimes they choose good, reputable journals. Other times they choose publishers that will publish anything. This beallslist.net has just a huge, long list of publishers that sound like they would be good and reputable, but most of the time they are not, and they just publish whatever research they get in their inbox. So it's good to be mindful of all of these. As you can see, there's a lot. And when you're doing your research, just make sure that you are looking at the journal with which your research is published in, to make sure that you are approaching it with the right amount of skepticism. About knowing your journal and the ranking that it has in Eigenfactor, just make sure that the research that you're looking at is accurate and reputable, and just knowing that the stuff that you're getting from your article isn't just some bogus that some researcher just put out in the field. It's good to know that the ranking of your journal is good, so that the research that you're conducting is accurate. So here the American Journal of Public Health has a 98 Eigenfactor rating, and that just means that it's a reputable source, and you can know that this research is accurate.